Hi and welcome back. I just received a package from DHL and yeah, been looking forward to this one. So let's have a look and see what it is, eh? I think I've got an idea because I've been waiting on this for about a week now, but actually it came really quick because I got notified that it was sent yesterday. They said to me, yeah, we sent it, and I didn't get a tracking number, so I didn't know. And look at it. Ooh, look at that, eh? As everyone does, they always throw the packets out, don't they? They always go, yeah, I don't care about the packet, I'll throw it over there. Whatever. Anyway, so H200 from Adam Audio. Now we all know Adam Audio, we know who they are. And look, they've even got this on the side to show that it's, you got the tweeter on the box and not on the actual headphones. Well, you've probably got it system in there, and it, yeah, you know what I mean. Anyway, so yeah, cool. Liking it all so far. The box is nice. They've got little things here that I don't want to break, but I'm going to have to. It's just going to take me forever. So let's just click them off there. Little tags there. Open it up. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Wow. Ooh. Little box there. Have a look and see what's on there in a minute. Hold up. So these look nice. These are nice, lightweight as hell. Lightweight as hell. And then you've got left and right written inside, so you know where they are. And of course, we have both sides. You can have the cable going in both sides. So this is left and right. How does this feel? It's filled with glass. Just open a little bit so I can get them on my head. There you go. With the glasses, yeah, they feel good. Wow, can't hear anything. Really, 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 really silent, blocking out the sound. Yeah, they're comfortable. They're so far, so good. Without. Yeah, they're fine. They feel good. They're light as well. They're really light compared to my Beyerdynamics. They're a little bit lighter than these. And the build quality is very similar. Very similar indeed, I must say. Pads, leather, foam, memory foam, feel good on the head. They feel good. So next step is let's have a listen to them and see what they sound like. So I'm going to hook them up. Oh yeah, forgot to. There's the inside the box. We've got a little carry case, little soft carry case. You can put them in. Very nice. And then we have a cable, perfect cable, a perfectly long cable, which is brilliant. And then you've got a little leaflet to show you what that's all about. So we've got this here. Let me just hook this up. So I've hooked these up on the right hand side, and like the pads on these, because it's coming, the cable is coming on the right side of the keyboard and my Beyerdynamics are coming on the left side. So I've got these like this, so I can switch over when I want, really easy. And let me have a listen. Yeah, I can work with them quite easily. Not a problem whatsoever. I could even probably mix with them. They don't feel over bassy at all. They feel really, really nice. Yeah, I'm going to work with them for a bit and see how I feel over like a couple of hours of working with them. But they're nice headphones. Yeah, I mean, you know, for 160 euros, they are very, very good. Now the cuffs come off. These come off. You can replace these, and you can replace this as well. It just pulls off here. Apparently, I haven't tried that. And they have soft cups, like cloth ones like these. Apparently, like these ones here, which apparently give it a slightly different sound. I'm going to have a look at install the app and have a look at that in a different video, so we can look over the app. This is my first impressions on these so far, and so I really, really like them. Really good sounding, nice all round kind of sound, not overhyped. They're quite neutral, so pretty good for mixing. and mastering. I'll have to work with them to see how it feels, but they feel so far, first impressions, great. So yeah, so the H200s from Adam's looking good as well. Nice. Okay, so like, subscribe if you want. I mean, that always helps, yeah. And let's try and get to 10,000 subscribers. I mean, I've got a way to go, but it would be nice. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, subscribe, and I will see you soon. Ciao.